warning for DeWitt County, southeastern Logan County, southeastern McLean County, northwestern Macon County, northern Piatt County, northwestern Champaign County, until 8 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clinton, Leroy, Farmer City, Fisher, Marilla, Mount Pulaski, Warrensburg, Saybrook, Wapella, Weldon, Latham, Kenny, Chestnut, Bellflower, DeWitt, Foosland, Clinton Power Station, Lane, Weldon Springs State Park and Hallsville. Tornado watch